red 1.
The McNasty is another wave set up for a loop, this time beginning in a backblast and pirouetting through 180 degrees into the loop. The first job is getting into the backblast. This depends largely on the hole, but the two most common methods are to flat spin into the blast or do a low-level cartwheel into the blast. Both are very effective in the right place, and it's worth watching what other people are using with the most success. Once in the blast, keep your weight on your toes, sweep with the paddle and look round to spot the seam. The idea is to drive the bow down as you come round to face upstream. This is achieved through a combination of edging into the spin and driving down with your feet. As you come to face upstream, begin to stand up, get both paddle blades into the water to try and stop the spin momentum and throw the best loop you can manage. You'll find that you'll usually need to pull the boat through with an overhead sweep to complete the move.
Try to run away.